All right, we're going to learn a new chord, and this chord is called a Cadd9. Now, this is a whole bunch of fun when we can combine the Cadd9 with a G major chord. Let's take a look at our G major chord, which we've played, and the notes in the G major chord are G, B, D, G, D, and G. So we've got this G and this D and this G at the top. I want you to just pay careful attention to those three notes as we move through this lesson. Now, the chord we're going to do is a Cadd9 chord. If we just play a C chord, here it is right here. But what we want to do is add the ninth to this chord, and that's why it's called an added ninth. Go figure. So Cadd9. Now, chords come from scales. I'm going to count up a C major scale to the ninth degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's the note we want to add to a C chord. And that's why it's called a Cadd9, because we take the ninth degree of the C major scale and place it on a C major chord. So now the chord, instead of just being C, E, and G, becomes C, E, G, and D. This D being the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Add 9. All right, there's a Cadd9 chord, but we're also going to put the voice it so that we have a G on top, as well as the G here. And as you can see, those three notes are the same as the three notes we have in this voicing of a G chord. All right, so here's the bonus. The only thing we have to do to get from a G chord to a Cadd9 chord is move these two fingers here, fingers 1 and 2, to the C and the E note of a C chord. Which is really neat, because now you've got these common notes on the top of both chords. Also makes the chord really stable. You know, the changes between the two chords really stable because you've got two fingers in common between those two chords. G major, Cadd9, G major. Again, when we add notes to chords, we begin with a chordal platform, like a triad, or three-note chord. In the case of the C major chord, C, E, and G. When we add a note to that tonal platform, it's numbered from the notes in the scale. So in the case of the Cadd9 chord, we take a C chord and we add the ninth degree of the scale to that C chord. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Giving us a Cadd9. The same logic is going to hold true for many, many more chords that we're going to learn. So a basic chordal platform is, at this stage, is major or minor. A major chord has three notes. A minor chord has three notes. Whenever there's a number after that chord, there's going to be more. Well, if the number goes past 5, for instance, if it's a 6, or if it's a 7, or if it's a 9, there's going to be more than just three notes in that chord. So today, just practice G major with those two, that voicing with those two common fingers, changing only to the C, these two notes here, Cadd9, and then back to G. and try some of the different rhythm patterns that we've looked at in the right hand. Nice, easy change, and it sounds great, and it's used in tons of tunes, which we'll take a look at as we move forward. G major, C add 9.